weather turns hot, it can be hard to find an escape. Where do we turn to stay reliably cool? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the NewAir AC12200E Deluxe Air Conditioner, one of the most portable and easy-to-use air conditioners on the market. Complete your daily duties and have peaceful night's sleep, as this unit comes with a 24-hour programmable timer and recycles its collected moisture for continuous operation. The ozone-friendly R410A refrigerant contains no chlorine, so it even reduces the carbon footprint. As a 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner, it comfortably cools a space up to 425 square feet and can be plugged into any 115-volt outlet, making it ideal for cooling medium-sized bedrooms, dens, dorm rooms, or offices. The AC12200E can even function as a dehumidifier and remove up to 1.5 pints of moisture from the air per hour. It has convenient and time-saving features, such as 3 fan speeds, 2 dust filters, a fully functioning remote control, easy-to-operate push-button controls, and caster wheels for easy portability. The easy-to-install window kit can be adjusted to fit any size window, and the 1-year warranty is backed by NewAir, a company you can trust. The AC12200E is one of the best-reviewed portable air conditioners online. People love that this 3-in-1 unit offers you everything you need, operating as an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and cooling fan. It comes equipped with a state-of-the-art energy efficiency boosting function, which uses water to cool down the condenser, reducing the heat and saving you on electricity costs. When you need to stay cool, the AC12200E is the perfect solution. Don't let a hot, dry environment keep you from enjoying life. Get the most out of it and remain cool and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir.
Honeywell evaporative air coolers provide a natural and effective way of cooling to reduce the temperature without bringing up high energy bills. This model has a compact design and a 1.85-gallon water tank, helping to spot cool and provide fresh air ventilation for hours and hours. The CFO71AE cools up to 100 square feet and consumes only 50 watts of power. This translates into savings of up to 90% on energy costs compared with using air conditioners. Water pumped from the water tank pours over the honeycomb cooling pad. As warm air passes through the wet honeycomb pad, it absorbs the heat, naturally cooling and humidifying the air. A powerful fan then propels the cool air into the room or outdoor area. This continuous cycle of fresh air circulation helps to renew stale air.
Unlike window or central air conditioning units, portable air conditioners are easy to install and do not require permanent installation. They are a cost and energy-saving alternative to central air systems, as they cool one room instead of the whole house. This Whynter ARC122 DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual-hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode. A convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump out moisture through the included 16.5-foot drain tube for continuous condensate removal. Equipped with an exhaust and intake hose, this dual hose system helps eliminate negative air pressure, which allows for more efficient cooling. It can also be operated as a single hose system by simply removing the intake hose. This PAC includes a washable pre-filter as well as an activated carbon filter that removes smoke and odors.